shattering the silence with a staggering statistic: 9 out of 10 startups fail within their first 5 years. A chilling reality, isn't it? But why is this? And more importantly, how can we navigate away from this iceberg that is sinking so many promising ventures? Alfafam consultants, a powerhouse in the world of business consulting, have distilled their vast experience into key insights. These experts paint a clear picture of the most common mistakes that lead startups to their untimely demise. First, many startups lack a clear business plan. They launch with a great idea but fail to map out a strategic path to success. This leads to confusion, wasted resources, and ultimately, failure. Alfafam consultants stress the importance of a robust, adaptable business plan that outlines not just the destination, but the journey too. Secondly, startups often overlook the need for effective marketing. Without a strong brand and effective marketing strategies, a startup may as well be a ship lost at sea. Alfafam's experts emphasize the pivotal role of marketing in reaching the right audience and creating a strong brand identity. Third, startups frequently underestimate the importance of cash flow management. Running out of cash is one of the biggest reasons startups fail. Alfafam consultants have seen this time and time again and stress the need for careful financial planning and management. Finally, many startups fail to adapt. In a rapidly changing business environment, adaptability is not just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. Alfafam consultants underscore the need for startups to be flexible and ready to pivot when necessary. Now, these mistakes might seem daunting, but they are not insurmountable. And this is where Alfafam steps in. With a wealth of experience and a deep understanding of the startup landscape, Alfafam consultants are the co-pilots startups need to navigate these common pitfalls. Alfafam doesn't just offer advice, they offer solutions. They work closely with startups to develop clear, actionable business plans. They help craft compelling marketing strategies that resonate with the target audience. They assist in managing finances to ensure a steady cash flow. And perhaps most importantly, they help startups become adaptable, helping them pivot and adjust in response to changes in the business environment. Alfafam consultants are not just observers. They are active participants in the journey to success. They are the guiding light that can help steer your startup away from the 9 out of 10 statistic and towards the 1 out of 10 that succeed. So if you're navigating the choppy waters of the startup world, don't do it alone. Reach out to Alfafam. They've got the expertise, the experience, and the commitment to help you avoid the common mistakes that sink so many startups. With Alfafam, you're not just getting a consultant, you're getting a partner in success. Remember, 9 out of 10 startups may fail, but with the right guidance and support, yours doesn't have to be one of them. So, take the first step towards success. Reach out to Alfafam. They're ready to help you navigate your journey to success. And as we wrap up, remember this: every successful startup was once in the same position as you are now. They faced the same challenges, the same uncertainties, but they made it. And with Alfafam by your side, so can you. So don't become another statistic. Choose Alfafam. Choose success. Because with Alfafam, your startup success isn't just a possibility, it's a probability. And that's a wrap. Until next time, keep innovating, keep striving, and remember, Alfafam is there to help you every step of the way.